In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Grok AI using your images on X. If you share photos or artwork on the platform and prefer not to have them used to train Grok or shared with collaborators, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to change that preference. We'll move calmly through the menu names you'll see on X, explain what each section does, and finish by turning off the setting that controls image use. Start by opening X and landing on your home timeline. You can do this on desktop or mobile. The wording is the same in both places. From home, look for the More menu. On desktop, it's in the left sidebar, usually toward the bottom. On mobile, you may see it behind your profile icon or a menu button. Open that to reveal the full list of options. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This area is where X keeps your account controls, safety tools, and data preferences. Inside Settings and Privacy, select Privacy and Safety. Think of this page as your hub for how your content, visibility, and data are handled across the platform. From there, go to Data Sharing and Personalization. This section covers how your information is used to customize your experience and what's shared for product improvement. It's the right place to fine-tune who and what can interact with your data. Now, open Grok and third-party collaborators. This page focuses on how Grok, X's AI system, and select partners may use your content for analysis or training purposes. You're here to control image usage in particular, so this is the key screen. Find the toggle that allows Grok and collaborators to use your content, including images. Turn this setting off. When it's disabled, you're telling X that you don't want your images to be used by Grok or shared with third-party collaborators for those purposes. Most changes here save automatically. If you see any confirmation prompt, accept it to lock in your choice. A couple of quick tips to finish up. If you manage more than one X account, repeat these steps for each account to ensure all profiles reflect your preference. After toggling off, it's a good idea to back out and return to the Grok and third-party collaborators page once to confirm the switch remains off. Also, interface labels can shift over time, but the path, Home, More, Settings and Privacy, Privacy and Safety, Data Sharing and Personalization, then Grok and third-party collaborators stays largely the same. That's it. You've successfully limited Grok's access to your images on X. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit these settings anytime you want to review your privacy choices.